everyone. So we're gonna do another what's in this random jewelry box. So I picked one of my random jewelry boxes and I'm going to show you what is in it. Hopefully you have sprung forward and you are enjoying daylight savings time. So let's open this box. This is what I have inside this box. So yeah, lots of color. We've got reds and greens going on here. So yep, no explanation. I'm just gonna literally show you what's in this box. So here we have this lush emerald green necklace, and everything is fine jewelry. I'm just going to put that out there. This is not a costume jewelry video. You guys know I love emeralds, and this is just, I'm going to wear this tomorrow. Like, this is just so gorgeous. I hope the camera is doing this justice. Look at the quality of these emeralds. If emeralds weren't so expensive, I would have even more of them. Like, they're one of my favorite stones. I just love the color. Here I have a ruby necklace. And again, I am drawn to rubies as well. Here's my son. There's Nino. You guys know he was right there. I'll post a short of him. But yeah, this has movement in the middle. So there's a really nice ruby, a pear-shaped one that dances. And the tip of the heart has diamonds. Very beautiful. But yeah, I love rubies. Rubies are July's birthstone. Emerald is May's birthstone, just in case you did not know. Thank you for being here. Take a minute to subscribe while you're here. Nino would appreciate it very much if you subscribed. Hit that notification bell, and you can even follow me on LTK. Okay, so here I have another emerald necklace. This is more of a floral design. Very pretty. This video won't be too long because I'm just showing you what's in this small little jewelry box. Um, I purchased a necklace or something that came with this box and I liked it because it pulled out, so like the drawer style. So I just put a bunch of necklaces in here. And the little pouches that the jewelry was in came from Shein, the little resealable plastic pouches. But yes, this is a beautiful emerald necklace. This is a star necklace with ruby and diamonds. So I remember purchasing this from a local store out in California when I visited. So I picked this up on my vacation to the West Coast. That's what I do, guys. When I go travel, I always bring back jewelry. That is usually something I just have to do no matter where I go. Then this random necklace, this says mom and is accented with diamonds. I'm not a mother unless you want to count my cats, I guess. I've never worn this. This was left to me by my grandma. Maybe I should wear it. Like, I don't have to have a human kid, right? I'm a cat mom, so maybe I should wear that. Also, from my grandmother, this is a pigeon's blood ruby. Dainty but packs a punch. Total dynamite, accented with diamonds. I think this is probably the nicest ruby I own. It's absolutely gorgeous, and the camera is not doing it justice. I do wear this. It's such a nice little pop of color. And again, it's hard to find rubies like that anymore. Here's another heart with rubies. This one has 3 marquee rubies. I like ruby. I really do. It's one of my favorites. But guys, what isn't my favorite? I love everything except, like, I don't care for opals too much, but even some of them I like. But yeah, I like everything. But yeah, this is another ruby heart. Very pretty. I've had it for a long time. This is a ruby circle. I have never seen many necklaces like this. This look was really done in diamonds, but I have it in ruby. And again, the camera is really not picking up the color of these juicy little rubies. And I just think it's a beautiful necklace. Back to emeralds. This is another emerald necklace. Can you tell that I love emeralds? So gorgeous. Like, this green just speaks to my soul. I don't know. Like, I just drop a comment if you love emeralds. And if you have some, feel free to tag me on Instagram. Another emerald necklace. This one is, I think, the biggest one that I have. Is quite big. Um, just absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love the color against my skin tone. I just do. Um, what can I say? But yeah, guys, remember you can join me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and LTK. And then lastly, here's some earrings. There were some random earrings thrown in the box. These have matching pieces which are not in this video. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed what was in my jewelry box. I appreciate you being here. Bye.